So what's up, everyone? I am gonna attempt to take this down and redo it. And I have to get it done today because I have a bunch of stuff to run. This is Saturday. The day before you're gonna see this. So I got the wood stove going, so it's gonna be hot down here, but I'm gonna disconnect all this, take it off, and then put all this together and put it up there. Now the reason why I want to is because that's an 8-inch. So by running 8-inch T this way and then a 4-inch down, I'm creating a bigger chamber of suction so that I have more suction to pull up and draw out of the lasers, which that's what you want. So yeah, let's just get it done. That's what it looks like after a year and a couple of months of running a whole bunch. Get dirty. So when you're doing your own ventilation, this is a do not do. So the fan was sitting up here and all your smoke and everything is coming in. What this was doing is creating a pocket right here, and I had buildup. I just set this down and it went all over the carpet. Don't do that, because it was right off the fan. Now if I had a T, then all that would have got sucked out, but you had more suction. I'll be right back. I gotta go make something. That's why you want to clean it out every once in a while. You don't want no fire in the house or a shed, wherever you have it. No bueno. So I gotta make this fit in here. So I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna make 2 cuts. You just don't want to do it on the seam. Now you just gotta make sure you tape it off good. It'll be alright. So I had to go get a bit. I'll show you. One thing I didn't have to order, because I had these, they're sheet metal screws. I had them on hand. All this is gonna be linked down below. And if you guys want, check out all the stuff that I bought for it. For this part of it, you know, that's simple. That's just the other piece. But if you want to buy any of this, look at the links. You can either order it like I did, because it's hard to find right now. But I advise you to go look at it, write it all down, print it off, whatever. Go to your local hardware store or wherever you can get the stuff you think. Whatever you can't find, then order it. But it's going so far. So I don't know if you heard that, but I had it on. It's very quiet. That's what I love about these fans. They're super quiet. You can hear the air sucking right here. So wherever there's cracks, the same along with this, I'm going to tape it. Because I don't want any air leaks. I want it all coming from in the laser and sucking out. It's all taped up. I got all the seams taped. So let's see what it's doing. Cool. You can really feel the suction compared to the last one. You couldn't. So that's cool. I'm gonna start cutting. So that is really cool, seeing it doing that, taking all the smoke out really fast. My last fan didn't do it. It's definitely adding that 8-inch T on there. Helped a ton. Some of you might be asking too, what are you gonna do with that extra fan? I have it sitting aside. I'm gonna do another video with a bunch of cleaning and how because I gotta clean that cutting table. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. So why don't we do that for the next video? Watch out for the next video, and I'm gonna do that for you then. Yeah, we're gonna clean the cutting table the next video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.